Think about how much a parked truck actually costs you. Parked trucks cost more than bad marketing ever will. Downtime, think about that. It affects your ability to scale. Your truck's parked means idle crews, lost momentum, stressed out guys quitting, going to the next guy, your dispatch chaos. And most of the time, it's not because the demand isn't there. It's because the demand exists and your visibility doesn't match it, all right? So let's put a real number on it for a second, right? Think about how much it costs you to have a truck and a two-man crew sitting idle for a week. I know for me and my site development company, the numbers are a little higher. We have a little bit heavier iron and equipment than you guys use, but that cost me about $1,000 an hour to turn the key in this company. So think about your payroll going out the door for an entire week with nothing coming back in. And it's a momentum your dispatcher has to be rebuilt from a dead stop, not a rolling start. So all that money and all that stuff that you did during cat season goes right out the window because you're just financing guys to sit around. Now, if you multiply that across your entire fleet, right, and a few slow weeks will quietly cost you more than most companies spend on marketing in a whole entire year, right? And that's the thing in the trade most people don't see very clearly. You're not saving money by underinvesting in visibility. You're just moving the cost from a marketing line to payroll line item, and the payroll version hurts just a little bit more.